Hello everybody and welcome back to my kitchen. It's Rog here, and today I'm going to be cooking a really delicious steak. But with that delicious steak we need a really delicious sauce, and my favourite is a good old time peppercorn sauce. This is a classic sauce, very easy to do, so please stick with me and I'll walk you through it. And while we're on the way, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I've got hundreds of videos out there. I'm sure there's one recipe amongst all of those that you would love. So let's crack on. We take a pan, put it on the hob, medium heat, and to this we add a very large knob of butter. Now we're going to need some onions, so we chop an onion really finely. Then we add this to the pan. We're going to cook this onion until it is really soft, but not brown, definitely not brown, just very well cooked. To this we add about 300 ml of double cream, or some people might call it heavy cream. Then we're going to need some peppercorns. After all, it's peppercorn sauce and it wouldn't be peppercorn sauce without peppercorns. We need about 2 tablespoons full. We grind those down, leaving a few whole ones. Then we can add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and of course Napoleon brandy. Well, any brandy. I mean, did Napoleon keep drinking brandy? I don't really know. I didn't know him. So we put some of that in. Oh, a little bit more. Come on, don't be a skinflint. Stir this all together so these flavours get mixed in, and then of course we're going to keep cooking this down until it starts to thicken. Then we can add 1 beef stock cube. Then we mix this in, make sure there's not any lumps. Then after about 15 or 20 minutes of stirring, it will start to thicken up. Now this, guys, this is where the flavour comes in. It's starting to look and smell delicious. A bit of fine tuning with the salt. You won't need any more pepper. Give that a mix, and then it's ready for your steak. And I really love steak, don't you guys? Now this is a delicious sirloin steak, medium rare, and it's going to be served up with this lovely peppercorn sauce. You can't have steak without a peppercorn sauce. Chips, tomatoes and mushrooms. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel and share if possible. Yep, thanks again. See you next time. Bye for now.